Manual child labor. You gotta get behind the toilet. Clean behind the toilet. You can't miss any spots. What? Is it dirty back there?
I can't.
Does it fit?
But it's like this.
Yep, that's exactly right. You gotta get creative. Creative. There you go. That's exactly how you mop.
Done.
Done?
And
Okay.
Why are you so violent? Why are you so violent? Yeah? Huh? Why are you so violent? Oh, you can't eat this camera. This is not waterproof. Audrina, what you doing? Check out these kids. Oh my gosh. What is that? La, 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 la. Oh, dang. Why are you so violent? Who's teaching you all this violence? There's so much hate in the world and this kid's just beating up on me. Ah.
Bowling is a jar.
Huh? What? Violence?
No. It's like
Here he comes again. What's gonna happen? Oh my goodness. You're gonna hurt yourself, kid. Oh, jeez. Yeah. I'm gonna mess your hair up. What's up, everyone? It is another day, and we are playing in the playroom. Is this the playroom?
Yeah.
It's more of the boys' room, but he never sleeps in here. He sleeps in our bed. It's real life when you have kids. You want them to sleep in their own beds, but no, they don't. Only when they get older, like Audrina. But still, sometimes you come in our room, huh? Sometimes she does. We're gonna have some pizza for dinner. What do you guys want? What do you want on your pizza? Anchovies?
No.
Oh my gosh. Hey, you better tell your sister you're sorry. You just whacked her right in the arm. Tell her. Oh my gosh, you just hit her again. Give me that. Give me that toy. Give it to me. Are you okay? What's the best thing to do in this situation? What should we do? Should we just hit your brother back? No. You better quit being such a bully, kid. Look at him. He's just swatting. He's just straight swatting. Alright, let's talk about the pizza. What kind of pizza do you want to get? Cheese?
No.
Pepperoni?
Yeah, pepperoni. I like pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Okay, the next question is, where are we going to get it from?
From the other one.
From the other one, what?
The other one has,
The pizza store?
yeah.
What pizza store?
The older one that has the many ears on there, in there.
Okay, I don't know what you're saying. Maybe we get it from Hungry Howie's. Hungry Howie's, the yellow box. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yep. Expensive people for rich. Expensive pizza for rich people. Shum, 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 shum. Close the door. Ah! Yeah, alright. They're all gonna turn into flowers? Oh, Sophia's gonna stay here and work. Alright, wash the dishes. Man, it is hot. Hot and cloudy at the same time, but it is not gonna rain. Hey, y'all wanna go see them birds?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you wanna go see those birds?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, hold on a second. Look at him. He's looking at us with evil eyes. He's gonna get us. Hey, why don't you guys go over there and say something to him?
No.
Instead of standing behind me. Uh-oh, he's moving. He's moving. Look at him. Look at him. The predators. They're predators. All right, kids, let's go back. Race to the car. Sophia's fast. Let's pray so we can make it today. And then we can go. That's all I had. All right, is that everyone? Hey, all right, you want to pray?
No, it's my turn.
It's your turn? Okay, go ahead. Okay, guys, we're going to end the vlog here and subscribe to our channel and come back and see us. Bye.